Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable read receipts from being sent out or being shown on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure how to navigate to this, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on it, and then select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Account, select the Privacy button. And now underneath Interactions, select the Direct Messages button where it says Message Preferences, Read Status. People can see when you have read their messages. They will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. So if you want to have it turned on, just toggle it to the right, click inside the oval, make sure it's colored in blue in here. If you want to turn it off, just left click inside it one time, make sure it's grayed out and shifted to the left. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.